Acupuncture uses single-use, sterile, very thin needles. They're just a little bit thicker than a human hair. When they're inserted into the body, it feels just like a little bit of a pinch or a poke, very quick. And after that, oftentimes you don't feel them at all. So the treatment itself is very comfortable. Typically it lasts about 1 hour, including the intake. Once the needles are inserted, we like to have the patient rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. The reason for that is we want the secondary relaxation response that acupuncture provides. After treatment, oftentimes people will feel much more relaxed when they leave. You may notice an immediate change in your predominant complaint, such as a lowering of pain. But over time, what people tend to notice is just a change in their overall well-being. Sometimes they feel improvement in sleep, digestion. Many other things can be positively impacted by acupuncture, even if that is not the main complaint. Acupuncture is really useful for chronic pain. We know that our chronic pain patients oftentimes are not just coming in with the pain complaint, but they also have experiences of difficulty with sleep, difficulty with emotional well-being because of the pain. And acupuncture can help with those as well. Sometimes that's a more subtle realization that over time people realize that they just notice an absence of some of those symptoms. They may notice that they're needing less pain medication. They may notice that they're just not realizing that they're walking around with pain quite as much. And that's very helpful for people with chronic pain who tend to have that at the forefront of their mind most of the time. People are often surprised at how tolerable the acupuncture treatment is. It isn't like getting an injection or having blood drawn. These are very thin needles, and it often just feels like a mild pinch, almost as if a hair is being pulled on your arm. And so they generally find that the benefits of the acupuncture and how they feel afterward greatly outweigh any discomfort that they might feel during treatment.
We start off the treatment just cleaning the area. So if we're going to treat something like elbow pain or tendinitis, we would just clean the area that we're treating. And then we use really small needles that get inserted right at the site of pain. And as you can see, it goes in pretty easily. And it'll stay there for about 25-30 minutes while people just relax and enjoy the session. So one of the main points that we might use for something like a headache or stress is a point in the forehead. And this point just really kind of lies flat. And it barely goes in at all. Usually people feel really relaxed afterwards, and some people are able to even walk out the door without a headache.